Have you ever wished you could earn money while literally doing nothing? Sounds like a scam, right? But what if I told you there's a website that pays you every single day, even while you sleep? This isn't dropshipping. This isn't trading. And nope, you don't need to show your face either. I'm talking about passive income from a legit website that shares its revenue with you. The best part? It's 100% free to start. No credit card, no investment. Let me introduce you to timebucks, a website that pays you daily in real money for simple actions. From watching videos, to answering surveys, to just leaving your browser open. Yes, they pay for that. Most people ignore this because they think it's too small. But small money daily adds up fast. Let's say you earn just $5 per day. That's $150 a month for tasks you can do half asleep. And if you refer others, boom, you earn even more passively. It's available worldwide, so no matter where you live, you can join. They pay through PayPal, Bitcoin, or direct deposit. Real cash, not points or fake coins. Now here's the truth, you won't get rich. But this can help with groceries, bills, or even savings. People in the US, India, Nigeria, and the Philippines are already earning daily using this site. It's simple. You sign up, choose tasks you like, and get paid the next day. Still think it's too good to be true? Here's a screenshot of my first week's income. And no, this isn't sponsored. I just believe more people should know passive income is real. If you can scroll TikTok for 30 minutes, you can do this and earn actual money. Click the link in the description, sign up, and start earning while doing almost nothing. And don't forget to subscribe. My next video reveals the best 3 AI websites for passive income in 2025.